Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the difference between border runs and visa runs. Now, those who are watching this, who've watched my videos with some frequency over the years, this may sound like a semantic point. This is something we've discussed frequently in the past, sort of the difference between a visa run and a border run. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, the PattayaMail.com. Article is titled, Visa Exempt 45 Days is Back to 30 Days at Thai Airports and Border Crossings. Quoting directly, in other words, nationals from visa-exempt countries now will have a maximum of 60 days rather than 75 before their time expires. However, they will still be able to leave the country, however briefly, and repeat the procedure for a further 30 plus 30 days. But land border runs are limited to a maximum of 2 in a calendar year. There is no formal restriction on entries by air, though immigration officers can refuse admission if they feel a formal visa from a Thai embassy should be obtained in advance. Quote, don't try to live in Thailand on short permissions of stay, unquote, has long been a common refrain in the country's immigration halls and border posts. And that's all great information. I really urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article and read that whole thing in detail. The point here is there is and I notice folks out in the sort of YouTube sphere, the blogosphere, whatever you want to call it, talking about visa runs and border runs kind of interchangeably. I see where people think this may be a semantic point between the notion of a border run and a visa run, but I don't think it is. To my mind, a border run is exactly that, running to a border. For example, here in Thailand, border with Cambodia, for example, at Aranya Pratet, Poi Phet. Crossing out of the country, crossing into Cambodia, stamped into Cambodia, and then turn right back around, cross back into Thailand, stamp back into Thailand, all new status, sort of like a car wash, rinse, repeat. Well, maybe not repeat, depending on your circumstances, but that's basically the procedure. You run to a border, a literal border with, for example, Cambodia or Myanmar or Laos or Malaysia, if you're in Thailand, cross out, cross back in. To my mind, a visa run is oftentimes, although it doesn't have to be, getting on a plane, it could be a boat or anything else, or even a border run, leaving the country, going to a Thai embassy or consulate, or liaising with a Thai embassy or consulate, as many things are digitized now, getting an actual visa while abroad, and then returning to Thailand on that visa. That is a different thing. So these terms, border run and visa run, are often used interchangeably. I've done videos on this in the past. This is just kind of a reiteration of the same information to some extent, but as the folks who subscribe to this channel have grown and things, I think there's folks that haven't seen this information because I haven't done a video on it in some time that should be aware. There is a difference. Running to a border and the procedures associated therewith is very, very different than running to an embassy and getting an actual visa issued before returning to the Kingdom of Thailand.